Here are my thoughts about the flashback 1 version. Here are my thoughts about the flashback version 2. So I got mine in Taiwan and lalagay ko na lang dito yung exact conversion kung magkano siya nabili. This is a digital camera that kind of acts like a film camera. Pero ang maganda kasi sa kanya is nako-connect mo siya to your phone. Okay, so let me talk you through paano ko siya ginamit and ano yung mga naging challenges ko. So this is rechargeable. So ito-charge mo siya via Type-C, USB-C. And meron siyang mini screen at the top to say na if it's charging or if tapos na siya, mawawala lang yung CH. You just have to twist this para mag-on siya. So meron din siyang indicator kung ilan pa yung natitira. So this camera can hold up to 27 shots. No more than 27 talaga. So kapag naubos mo yung 27, you have to transfer your files to your phone. Which means na if mag-photo walk ka or mag-travel ka, you have to have a connector with you, yung type C to C. Kasi yun yung easiest way without Wi-Fi na mako-connect mo yung camera to your phone to get your photo. Very minor inconvenience for me is if you keep taking videos, di ba kailangan mong iikot ng iikot to? Ang sakit niya, men. Very sharp itong dial niya. So, yung isang picture kasi minsan 7, minsan 3 lang. So, ito 3 lang siya. Tapos, pag nag-take ulit ako, 4. Tapos, pag nag-take ulit ako, 1, 2, 5. So, nag-take ulit ako, 6. So, nag-take ulit ako, 5. So, basta minsan 3, minsan 5, minsan 7. So, ang daming ganon. So, I wish medyo i-shave nila tong part na to kasi nasakit niya sa kamay. This has a viewfinder here and what I appreciate is ang lapit nung viewfinder niya dun sa pinaka-lens. So, kung ano yung center nung sinilip mo siya, magkalapit yung center doon sa actual photo. One thing you have to note though is kung ano yung sinilip mo dito sa viewfinder, mas wide pa yung nakukuha niya. Kasi tinest namin siya. So, nag-take ako ng photo na up until waist lang. Pero yung lumabas, parang up until dito sa baba pa nung tuhod. This also has a very strong flash. As in, ito yung flash na gusto ko sa Camp Snap, sa X-Half. Basta yung mga lumalabas na digicam ngayon. So, diba? Sobrang, hindi lang siya usable if maaraw tapos magfa-flash ka. Kasi usually, diba, we take flash photos even if may araw pa. For this one, if maaraw tas nag-flash ka, medyo parang naguguluhan siya kasi parang nagiging white na lang yung photo. Here are samples with and without flash. Mas madalas tuloy, hindi ko rin ginagamit yung flash kasi nga, since in fairness to this naman, parang nakailang roll na ako and hindi ko siya kailangang i-charge ulit. I will have to monitor yung actual battery usage niya. Pero yun nga, pwede mo kasi siyang i-charge din sa power bank. So, I don't think yung battery life niya would be an issue. It also automatically turns off naman. So, you don't have to worry na madadrain siya kapag nasa bag mo lang siya. I still have more thoughts na I wanted to share pero ang haba na nitong video. So, make sure to follow along to see part 2 of this review.